Good afternoon to everybody. I'm Sara Montani. I'm the Director of Media Solution in Fincons. Fincons Group is a consulting company with more than 2,000 people around the world. Our main office is in Italy and Switzerland, but we also have other offices in Belgium, in UK, in US, France, and Germany. We are mainly a consulting company, but we also decide to invest our knowledge and know-how in a proprietary rights management solution. And I would like to talk to you about this solution today. Just to share some industry context, as maybe all of you knows, the audiovisual market is changing a lot during the last years, primarily because the increasing competition for the audience is really make the difference in terms of content. But content are expensive and rights are really limited. So most of the media operators are changing their business from content acquisition to content producer. And the value chain has never been so fluid. Working with different media operators around the world, we understood that there are still a lot of need to satisfy on the rights management area. One primary need is having a centralized solution able to manage rights, both rights in, rights out, content metadata, in a unique solution. Another need is to reduce the human effort. A lot of time is spent in inserting metadata within system instead of trying to maximize the return of investment of the content asset. That is another important need for a media operator. Also, the reduction of time to market is very important if you want to launch a new services and you have to adapt your systems. Finally, improve the integration with the surrounding system to reduce the double data entry. And the last one, but maybe not the less important, is the reduction of cost, the infrastructural cost, the storage cost that can be saved with cloud infrastructure. We think that with our solution we can satisfy most of those needs. And this is why we decided to launch our AllRights solution. We launched our solution already during the last NAB, and we are now also within our booth presenting an advanced release of our solution. I like to speak about our rights with these three main pillars. The blue one represents the core capabilities, so a quite big set of functionality able to cover rights in and rights out, but also functionality to speed up your internal operating procedure. The red pillars represent smart feature, a set of standalone application that can be also sold as a standalone tool, but also integrated with our core solution that can really help you in taking faster some decision to improve your business. The last pillar is the future-proof technology, the baseline of the technology in which our solution is built. Speaking about core capabilities, in addition to contract management, rights management, multidimensional rights management, rights in, rights out module, we invest a lot in creating functionalities to speed up operating procedure. For instance, we have contract template, rights template, everything that can be easily recalled by a user to insert information very, very quickly. We also invest in integration with the external database, for instance, TV movie database, to import automatically titles and also additional metadata without the need for the end user to insert those information manually. We are also investing our R&D in developing functionality like elemental rights, so the ability to track rights for every single time code of an in-house production. With The first point, we also help, thanks to the dashboard, thanks to a very powerful variability analysis, to speed up the decision within your organization, because you can have quickly all the information you need to take decision in terms of internal exhibition or sub-licensing. Talking about future-proof technology, our solution is provided in SaaS, it's cloud native. We have a quite strong API layer for the integration with surrounding system like media asset management, like ERP, scheduling both linear and non-linear. We invest a lot in creating a contemporary UI, enhancing the experience of the end user to really speed up the manual data entry. Finally, the configuration capability. We are able to configure the data model, the entity, the fields. The workflow is completely configurable by each customer. So they don't have to call us to do those things. They can do everything by themselves. In terms of smart feature, during this IBC, we presented the first one, that is the one that we released, and is based on natural language processing. The automatic contract import helps to extract automatically metadata from a contract. Second one that we are working on and we will present next year is a recommendation engine, an engine to automatically recommend content to sell to a specific client. So if you are a distributor or a sub-licensor, you can have the suggestion directly from the tool, based also on Twitter, based also on the trends on internet. The third one is the dynamic asset evaluation, so the proposal of the best price range to sell or to acquire content rights. Finally, why Fincons? I think I explain why our product is a distinctive product from the other competitors, but we also think that our know-how, our industry skills, our scalability with our nearshore delivery center can help a client in the transformation journey needed for a rights management transformation. Finally, I would like to share with you a little bit our roadmap. So today we are developing the release, we are releasing the release 1.8a, and this is what we are showing during this IBC. In the next release, 1.8b, we will complement our feature with elemental rights. And the final release that is now under the plan will integrate a quite powerful reporting tool within our solution. That's all for today. If you have any curiosity, any question on our solution, feel free to come to our booth or to email me. Thanks a lot.